Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to receive emails even with misspelled Hostinger email address. First, you need to log in to your Hostinger account. Then from this left side menu, click on emails. Then next to your email account, click on this manage button. Then from this overview page and in this left side menu, click on forwarders. Now below create a catch all email, click on this create catch all button. By the way, a catch all email feature allows you to catch any emails sent to the misspelled email address, and you can create one catch all per domain. Click on this catch all button. A new window pops up. Choose the domain and an email account to create your catch-all email account. This is my domain name for this email account, and this is my single email because I have only a single plan, a free plan. If you have multiple accounts, I think you can select the catch-all email from a list. Now click on this create button. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger website builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger website builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Confirmation email sent to my Hostinger email address. Let's log in. Let's log in to my Hostinger email account to verify this catch-all email feature. This is the verification email. Let's click on it. Confirm your email forwarder request. To start using I think there is even though this message talks about email forwarder and not the catch-all email feature, let's still verify this message. Forwarder confirmation was successful. Email starts forwarding to the... I think this is just an error with the confirmation email and also verification or confirmation page. Now let's see. By the way, after creating the catch-all email, a new section added called manage your catch-all emails account. As you can see, the status now is unverified. After confirming this email forwarder request, let's see if I refresh this page, if this status turned to verified. Now that my catch-all email account is verified, now let's test this catch-all email account. I will send an email message to any misspelling version of this email address and to see if I will receive it in this ben@benstutorial.com email account. Let's send a message to, for example, not found at benstutorial.com. By the way, I don't have any email account in Hostinger with this username. To test catch all email feature. Now click on this send button. Now that my message was sent, let's go back to Hostinger email inbox. Let's refresh this page. As you can see, my message was received. This is it. Let's open it. The subject line is to test catch-all email feature. And this is the message. And this is how to receive emails even though they misspell your email or your Hostinger email address. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.